Eating Tulsi holy basil leaves each morning offers several health benefits. Here are 8 reasons why Tulsi is a valuable addition to your morning routine. 1. Boosts immunity. Tulsi is rich in antioxidants, helping the body ward off infections and diseases by enhancing immune response. 2. Reduces stress. Tulsi has adaptogenic properties, which means it can help your body adapt to stress, balancing cortisol levels and promoting a sense of calm. 3. Supports respiratory health. Tulsi is effective in managing respiratory ailments like asthma, bronchitis, and colds due to its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. 4. Improves digestion. Tulsi leaves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion and preventing issues like bloating and acid reflux. 5. Promotes heart health. It helps in regulating cholesterol and blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 6. Aids in detoxification. Tulsi supports liver function, which is essential for flushing out toxins and maintaining overall health. 7. Regulates blood sugar. Consuming Tulsi leaves may help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those managing diabetes. 8. Improves skin health. The antibacterial properties of Tulsi help fight skin infections, acne, and inflammation, giving a clear, healthy complexion. Eating Tulsi on an empty stomach in the morning maximizes these benefits, promoting overall wellness. However, avoid excessive consumption, as it may cause mild side effects in some individuals.